What's up guys, welcome to RPHD Pro. Here it is, we have got a good news. Now we have got a sponsor and that is Channel 9. Channel 9 is a multi-branded showroom which has insanely unique products. If you're a tech savvy, then it's the best place to visit because there are a lot of unique products, a lot of insanely amazing products available here. And if you're a phone freak, then you could visit here. You will get all the latest phones available, the skins, the D brand skins, and accessories, smartwatches, and whatnot. And this place is an amazing place. It's not just because they are tied up with my channel at the moment, but even before Channel 9 was sponsored for my channel, I was visiting this particular place regularly and checking out those cool gadgets. So this place is really amazing. I will link all the details in the description below about the Channel 9, and you could go and visit it. It's in Bangalore, Jayanagar, and it's an amazing place to visit. So go and have a check. So without wasting much time today, let's jump into that intro and then come back because we have some unique product reviews today coming up.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting.
What's up guys, so this is it. This is X Mini Click2. This is incredibly small, but you heard it right, it's very powerful too. So this is a very powerful device. This is a very powerful Bluetooth speaker and I just loved it. The time when I got this particular product for the review and when I saw this, I was really fascinated because of this particular design. It's very small. You can keep it in your pockets as well. So this is incredibly powerful and gives a good sound output, and also you get around 2.5 hours of battery life, so that's amazing. So on a one charge you will get 2.5 hours of battery charge, and you could also connect your USB and power it and listen to the music as well. So that's an amazing option. So this X Mini speaker has little USB input provided, so you can connect to your USB cable and charge it. And this has little blinking light in blue, which defines that this particular device is on at the moment. And to switch on or off, you have a small button there. A small button, if you just press it in the middle, it just switches off. And if you want to switch it on, press and hold. That's it. So it is switched on and it's blinking. That means it's on at the moment. And you do not have any other buttons, and pretty neat assembly and pretty neat looking device as well. So let's play a music and enjoy from this particular device. So I have connected this particular device, my iPhone. I'm just gonna play it. Demonetized. I don't want to get my channel demonetized, so let me go and play it.
Everything we know be lost and changed for something new. Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
So you heard it, and this gives incredibly awesome sound output. I just loved it. And so if you are looking out to buy this, it's available in channel 9. Please visit the showroom and get this particular device. So that's it about the speaker. So we'll right away jump into Sandisk iExpand flash drive and look out the specifications, the design, how easy it is to set up, and how to use the app to transfer the data. Now we have another product, that is Sandisk iExpand flash drive. This is a small device yet again, but yet very powerful. This is just amazing. This does an amazing job for the people who have problems with their memories on iPhones, specifically on iPhones. So you cannot upgrade your memory. It will be always a 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, or 256 GB, or whatever Apple gives you. So once you buy the phone of that specific memory, that's it. So you'll not be able to expand it. So, and many of them are fascinated of taking photos, taking videos on an iPhone, and they always tend to have this problem of getting their memory full, and there's no other option. And for that reason, Sandisk has introduced iExpand flash drive. This flash drive is really amazing. I just used it today and I was doing a testing on this, and this is amazing. This has an app. iExpand app is also being provided in an app store. You could go ahead and download that, and I will let you know about the setup process, how you can set up this, and about what are the functionalities is being provided in your app. How do you go ahead and use this to transfer your data, transfer your files, photos, videos, music, anything of that case. You could use this, and you could go ahead and easily make use of your memory. You can free up your space pretty fast on a go. You don't have to sit in front of the computer. So this particular app works on various Apple devices, and it would be very useful to transfer your data. Alright guys, so let's straight away go and insert the Sandisk flash drive. And soon after I insert the flash drive on my phone, the message pops up and it identifies the iExpand flash drive straight away. Now go and click on allow so that iPhone will allow the app to open up. Now that's my iExpand drive. You have a lot of options there, and you can see, first of all, copy files, view files, backup and restore. You can back up the whole phone and restore it as well, and it shows the statistics as well, which clearly defines the phone storage, which is 1 GB free space on my iPhone at the moment and 30 GB free space on my flash drive. That's a good statistics to know. Soon after you come to the home page of the application, you'll be able to see the statistics. Coming over, you can copy photos from phone, copy files from iExpand drive by selecting any one of the options there. You can click on copy photos from phone. It will go to your library, select any one of the photo, and you can save it. That's pretty easy. And then you straight away see a connect to social media. That means you can go ahead and back up all your photos from your Facebook, Instagram, and a lot many other social media applications. And if you want to know more about the Sandisk products, the latest products which will be released, you can go ahead and sign up there. You'll get all the information about the new products from Sandisk. And the statistics of iExpand, about how much transfer you have done to the flash drive and how much you have retrieved, all those information would be provided, and you can go ahead and free up your cache and all that, many more coming up in the settings menu will show up that. So let's check out a magnificent option which has been provided here in this app. That is, you can go and click photos, take videos, and directly save it onto your flash drive. That's pretty awesome. It's gonna save a lot of space on your phone, and at the same time you'll have it on your flash drive so that you can easily connect to your computer and transfer the files. Coming to settings, so we have help options so you can know how to use the application. So we have a security option as well, so you can enable and disable the security here. So all the files and the photos which you save would be saved in Sandisk Secure Access Vault folder if you enable it, so that it will have more security for your files and photos. So you have a clear cache option so that you can go and clear the temporary files, so that it will free up your space and you could use more memory. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you have liked it, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And Happy New Year to all. Let's rock 2018 and let's welcome 2018 with open arms. Thank you very much for watching. Talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'll be holding you.